Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're exploring structural inequities in international research, the deep interconnected systems that shape whose voice matters in science, whose data gets collected, and who reaps the benefits of research conducted across the globe. So what are structural inequities? Well, they are not individual problems. They are often built into the way global research is organized and funded. They often reflect unequal scientific infrastructure, access to training and technology, regulatory capacity, political stability, and economic resources. These inequities often stem from historical forces like colonization, economic dependency, and global power imbalances. And they continue to influence who leads research today, who participates, and ultimately who benefits. You may be wondering how structural inequities show up in research. Well, they show up in a number of ways. The first way is unequal decision-making power. In many international collaborations, the institutions that fund or design the project, often the wealthiest countries, control the research narrative. Local partners may have limited influence, even though they understand the cultural and contextual needs far better. Number two, burdens on low-resource communities. Communities in low and middle income countries often shoulder the biggest risks, participating in clinical trials, undergoing invasive procedures, or contributing sensitive genetic or biometric data. Yet they may have little power to negotiate protections or access to interventions once they're developed. Number three, authorship and recognition disparities. It's common for global researchers to publish papers where local collaborators are listed as middle authors or omitted entirely, despite conducting the bulk of the fieldwork. This perpetuates scientific inequality and career stagnations in regions that are already underrepresented. Limited ethics oversight. Some countries have strong IRB systems, others have fewer resources, training, monitoring, or enforcing standards. This imbalance can leave participants vulnerable, not because of a lack of ethics, but because of a lack of infrastructure. Let's move on and talk about strategies to address structural inequities. The first way we can do this is fair and collaborative research design. Communities and local researchers must shape questions from the start, not after the grant is written. Strengthening local ethics committees. Support for training, funding, and autonomy for local IRBs. Equitable authorship and credit. Research partnerships must recognize intellectual contributions fairly. No more parachute research. Long-term partnerships. True collaboration means continuity, not collect data and disappear. Number five, capacity building and training. Sharing technology, data analysis tools, mentorship, and research infrastructure empowers communities for future work. Structural inequities won't dissolve overnight, but by recognizing them, questioning them, and working to change them, you become part of the shift towards ethical, equitable global research.